Guys, I got this it's a tiny, it's like $3 I think at the Menards store, and this one is like I think you put the thing in here, you know, and this is like a screwdriver seat. And then it's really cool because you put this, and then you can hang in here. There's like a thing in here, so kind of nice. It's a look like underneath. Oh no, this one is broken, guys. Oh no, I did not notice it. Oh, that's okay. Anyway, I can return this because I did not broke this up here. There's no charge. There's no broken parts in the. If I buy it and then there's a broken parts in here, I don't need to return. But if you wanna return, you can return this because I'm not the one who broke it. So I did not smash it in the vehicle. So I can return this and get a different one because I don't want a broken one. Anyway, but this one because I need to open, guys, the hat with the lights in it, the one that like so I don't know if this one, I don't know, I don't think you can open this one either. But I just have like what you call this, a watch that I need to open or something. Probably see they have like different kind of stuff in here. I just need that little screwdriver, I think. This one, I think. See there if you see they're small. See. So this is the plants I just put in here for now. You know. So that's kind of cool. And then so maybe I return this and get a nice one that not broken. Okay, see you later.